Here's how to tell if your laptop battery is due for replacement. Laptop batteries are consumable items that wear out over time. If your battery is near the end of its life, you'll likely notice that your system runs for less time than it used to on a full charge. You may notice other symptoms, such as your laptop suddenly shutting down, even though it indicates some charge remaining, or the charge level abruptly falling. To check your battery health, restart your laptop and press F2 repeatedly to enter the BIOS. Select General, then Battery Information. You can also check the battery health using diagnostic tools like Support Assist, or by visiting dell.com/support and using our online diagnostics. If you notice that your battery is swollen, stop using the system as normal. Disconnect the AC adapter and allow the battery to drain fully. You may have to adjust your sleep settings to do this. Type Sleep into the Start menu, then select Power and Sleep Settings. Change the system sleep time to Never. Once discharged, remove the battery if possible. Not all internal batteries are user removable. Check your user guide. Never poke or pry a battery in an attempt to remove it, or attempt to open the battery shell. For more information on swollen batteries, visit dell.com/support. Select Legal and Regulatory at the bottom of the screen, then Safety Information. For more battery troubleshooting help, search dell.com/support for SLN 292953. If you believe your battery needs to be replaced, contact technical support. Click Contact Us on the right of our support page to see contact options and details for your region. Thanks for watching.